Ever wondered how Buenos Aires comes alive at night? This is the city that never sleeps, where the rhythm of life pulses vibrantly under the moonlit skies. As the sun dips below the horizon, Buenos Aires transforms into a playground for the nocturnal, offering a colorful palette of experiences that cater to every kind of night owl. Buenos Aires is not just a city, it's an experience, a spectacle that unfolds as the day fades into dusk. It's a place where the music of the tango echoes through the streets, where late-night eateries serve up mouth-watering dishes, where bustling bars buzz with the chatter of locals and tourists alike, and where nightclubs pulsate with the energy of dancers moving to the beat. Each corner of the city tells a different story, each street has its own rhythm, and every night is a new adventure waiting to be discovered. So buckle up and prepare for a thrilling journey. Stay tuned as we take you through a night in Buenos Aires, the city that truly never sleeps. What's a night in Buenos Aires without a bit of tango? Let's dive into the world of tango, a dance that pulses with passion and drama, a dance that is as much a part of Buenos Aires as the city's grand architecture and vibrant street art. Tango was born in the late 19th century in the city's working-class neighborhoods. It was a fusion of various African, indigenous, and European influences, reflecting the diverse immigrant population of the city at the time. Over the years, tango evolved from the dance halls and brothels to the grand stages of Buenos Aires, gaining respectability and popularity. The dance became an integral part of the city's culture, representing the soul of Buenos Aires. The locals, known as porteños, embraced tango not just as a dance but as a way of life, a form of expression that captures their spirit and passion. Today, Buenos Aires is the undisputed capital of tango. The city is home to countless tango shows and venues, from the grand theaters to the intimate milongas, where the dance is still performed with the same fervor and intensity as it was over a century ago. These venues are a testament to the enduring appeal of tango, attracting both locals and tourists who are drawn to the dance's passion, its intricate steps, and its captivating music. One of the most popular tango shows in Buenos Aires is the Carlos Gardel Show, named after the legendary tango singer. This show is a spectacular display of tango in all its glory, featuring world-class dancers, musicians, and singers. Another must-visit venue is the Confiteria Ideal, a historic cafe and tango hall that has been hosting milongas since the early 20th century. Experiencing a tango show in Buenos Aires is like stepping back in time, immersing oneself in a world of passion and drama, of love and heartbreak. It's a world where the sultry moves of the dancers, the haunting melodies of the bandoneon, and the powerful lyrics of the tango songs all come together to create a truly unforgettable experience. From the sultry moves to the captivating music, tango truly embodies the passion and spirit of Buenos Aires. Scene script. Hungry after all that dancing, Buenos Aires has got you covered. As the city that never sleeps, Buenos Aires ensures no one goes to bed on an empty stomach. The city's late-night food scene is as vibrant and diverse as its dance floors. The aroma of grilling meat fills the air, a testament to the city's love for the traditional Argentine barbecue, or asado. The heart of any Argentine feast, asado is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of life, a symphony of flavors, a testament to the Argentine love for quality meat. But the culinary adventure doesn't stop there. The city's eateries serve a variety of local delicacies that cater to every palate. You can indulge in empanadas, the tasty pastry-wrapped parcels of goodness, filled with meat, cheese, or vegetables. Or perhaps you'd want to try choripan, a mouth-watering sandwich with chorizo, a type of pork sausage, served on a crusty roll. And let's not forget provoleta, a traditional Argentine dish of melted provolone cheese, often seasoned with oregano and chili. But it's not just about the food. It's about the experience, the welcoming atmosphere of the city's eateries, the convivial chatter of fellow diners, the warm smiles of the staff, all contribute to a dining experience that's uniquely Argentine. Whether you're a foodie or just a late-night snacker, Buenos Aires offers a culinary adventure that's as diverse as its nightlife. Feeling energized and ready to party? Buenos Aires is just getting started. Buenos Aires, the city of sultry tango and savory asado, also happens to be one of the world's nightlife capitals. Its bars and nightclubs are the pulse of the city, the heart of the party that beats on and on till the break of dawn. Here, the night is a canvas, and Buenos Aires paints a picture of unending celebration. a symphony of sound, rhythm, and movement. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a vibrant playground for those who thrive in the moonlight. The streets come alive with chatter and laughter, the prelude to a night filled with excitement and enchantment. The city's bars are the perfect starting point for your nocturnal adventure. From cozy watering holes serving local craft beers to swanky rooftop bars offering panoramic views of the city, there's a spot for every mood and every crowd. But the true essence of Buenos Aires' nightlife is its electrifying clubbing scene. The city's love for electronic music is legendary. It pulses through the veins of Buenos Aires, fueling the energy that drives its nightclubs. From intimate venues that offer up-and-coming local DJs a stage to sprawling clubs that host international music sensations, Buenos Aires' clubbing scene is as diverse as it is dynamic. Take a step inside one of these clubs and you'll find yourself immersed in a sensory experience like no other. The music is a rhythmic heartbeat, the lights are a kaleidoscope of colors, and the crowd is a sea of movement. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the music never stops and the party goes on till dawn. Buenos Aires' nightclubs have a unique character to them. They're not just about the music or the drinks, they're about the camaraderie, the shared experience of a night spent dancing, laughing, and living in the moment. It's a place where strangers become friends, where stories are shared and memories are made. And as the sky begins to lighten, signaling the approach of a new day, the city doesn't wind down. Instead, it shifts gears. After hours, clubs open their doors, welcoming those who aren't ready for the night to end. Here, the party continues, fueled by the city's indefatigable spirit. In Buenos Aires, the night is never over until the sun comes up. So put on your dancing shoes and get ready to party like there's no tomorrow.